Hi, this is the second of two videos about using Smart Meeting Pro software on your SmartBoard 7000 Pro series interactive display. In this video, we'll look at how Smart Meeting Pro's basic features work with the display. After you've connected your computer to the display and logged on, Smart Meeting Pro starts automatically. Tap the Whiteboard button to view a new blank whiteboard file. Smart Meeting Pro features the Unbound workspace, which is useful when you're working with content that's larger than the screen or when you want to zoom in on specific details. To move around in the Unbound workspace, tap the Pan button and then drag your finger across the screen like this. Zoom in and out by pinching or spreading your fingers like this. You can use one of the display's pens to write or draw on the display. Use the Smart Ink toolbar to change the digital ink's color, thickness, and other properties. To erase, you have three options. Use the eraser on any of the pens, use the eraser tool, or use your fist or palm. In this video, we've just scratched the surface of Smart Meeting Pro's features. You can integrate the software with Microsoft Exchange, and you can use Smart Ink to mark up apps, documents, and web pages, take screen captures, and much, much more. If you'd like to learn more, tap Help and then select Contents for help, videos, training, and other support.